Alright y'all, so we have made it over here to TC. Got my little handsome man in the back. Alright man, y'all will not believe what just happened. So as soon as I get to TC, I honestly was trying to record, but then the phone died. So if y'all didn't know, I do vlog off the iPhone 6, you know what I'm saying? So you know, he said hopefully by Saturday, by Monday. I would tell him just call me by Monday if anything. If I don't hear from him by Monday, then I'm gonna pull up again and I'm gonna just see what's up. But you know, everything's paid for, the car's paid for too, so I'm just waiting to get my whip, man, because I'm tired of doing this, you know what I'm saying? Like back and forth shit, man, just. But you know, patience is a virtue. So I'm just gonna be patient and just, I want everything done the right way, so I have to keep going back and forth to the shop, so. What's the matter, Malik? What you want? What you want? What? You want this? Here. Even though it's broken, you can pull it. Go ahead. Okay, give me that. Diapers everywhere. What y'all doing over here? Aren't you in a good mood today?
What?
Alright, I'll leave you alone. Leave everybody alone. What's up, nephew? Your skin is looking immaculate today. Yeah. What's up with the hair?
Oh my God! Nope.
Just that, not getting it finished. Go back about 5 steps. Thank you.
Social distance?
Huh?
Social distance. What? What you doing, man? Oh no, if you ask me, it looks like it's gonna rain today. Looks like it's gonna rain. Usually when you got dark clouds like that, it means it's gonna rain, right?
Yeah.
Oh no, looks like it's gonna rain. But yeah, man. Y'all see we back at the crib with it. You know what I'm saying? Workflow, cash flow later on today, so I'm just chilling with Malik for now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so gotta work from 8 o'clock tonight to 3 in the morning, which is not a bad shift at all. You know what I'm saying? So I hope it rains so I can just sit my ass inside all day and not have to do anything. Easy money though, easy money though. I just gotta keep my hustle up, keep my spirit up. You know what I'm saying? Lately been dealing with a lot of disencouragement, but it is what it is, cause hey, I'm the CEO, I'm the editor, I'm the producer, I'm the director. Everything I do is for the channel. Real Kings do real things, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell. Share this video, all that good stuff. What you staring at?
Huh?
Yeah, so he's so handsome. Yeah, so just chilling in the meantime until I gotta go to work. Right now it is approximately 5:45. It's Wednesday, August 19th. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I'm having a good day. I just took a nap, so I'm up now. Just taking my time with everything in life. Moving at a really cool pace. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate all the love, appreciate all the support, all the new subscribers from we got Philippines, we got Dubai, we got who else subscribed to the channel? We got Dominican Republicans who subscribed to the channel. We got Brazil, we got some Brazilians in here too. So yeah, man, thanks for all the love, all the support. You know what I'm saying? We definitely gonna keep the vlog going. All right, man, you know what time it is. Time to dig in and eat. I'm hungry. It's crazy, I didn't even have breakfast yet, but yeah, this looks good. I'm about to enjoy it and go to town. All right, man, y'all know what time it is. Workflow, cash flow. Come here, son. Give me a hug. Give your daddy a hug. I know, give me a hug.
Huh?
Come give me a hug.
Let go.
Come here.
Let go.
Come here, Papa.
Let go.
Come.
Let go.
All right. don't worry, I still got my hug from Malik. She tried to play me right now. But it's all good, man. Cause you know, I'm coming right back to him, you know? So I literally work like 3 minutes from where I live, so I really ain't got nothing to lose. I usually be walking to work. If y'all new to the vlog, then you know what I'm saying, y'all wouldn't know that. But if y'all OG subscribers, y'all know I be walking to work. I be, you know, handling my business, being on my missions and stuff. So yeah, man, I'm headed to work right now. I get off at 3 in the morning. It was a lovely day today. I do appreciate all the support, all the love, everything. You know what I'm saying? And we definitely gonna make it to the top from here. Ain't no where to go but the top from here. You know what I'm saying? So make sure everybody, y'all stay positive minded, stay motivated, stay encouraged. You know what I'm saying? And if someone's in your life is just being just negative and just, you know what I'm saying, just cut them off. Easy as that. It don't really take that much. You know what I'm saying? So let me take my ass to work right now. Workflow, cash flow, man, on the most ratchetest street that you could be on in Vegas, Boulder Highway. If y'all know about Boulder Highway in Vegas, man, make sure y'all leave it in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think. Because if you ask me, man, it's be a whole bunch of crackheads, be a bunch of prostitutes, be a bunch of fucking druggies, all types of shit, man. Same thing as crackheads, but you know, let's see how work goes tonight.
One eternity later.
In case y'all curious to know what I do at work.
Boy, if you don't get...
Just kick my feet up, stay out the way, stay in my own lane, mind my own business, and just do these little reports. That's it. It's the easiest money you can make, you know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to make that big bucks, man. That's why I'm trying to get as much support and love that I can get on this channel. You know what I'm saying? I know I said it in every video. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Also, go follow me on Facebook. The link will be in the description to my official Facebook page for Real Kings Do Real Things. Make sure y'all follow me there too. You know what I'm saying? It's like 1:30 in the morning. I'm about to get off right now. I want to thank y'all all again so much for supporting this channel, for watching this video all the way to the end, those of y'all who did. And yeah, we definitely gonna keep the vlogs coming. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all notifications turned on. And we're gonna definitely keep it going. You know what I'm saying? Because the grind don't stop. I say that all the time. I'm gonna get that tattooed on my forehead. The grind don't stop. Nah, I'm just playing. Well, you know what? That would actually be a pretty clean ass face tat. Let me get 30 likes on this video and I'll get that. Nah, that ain't even enough likes. Shit, let me get like 300 likes on this video and then I'll get the face tat. You know what I'm saying? So, and that's no cap. No caparoni.